What's going on? I'm Matthew Vick, and this is the JoJo Lena. And today we're going to talk about a day in the life of a junk removal couple. And JoJo, what are we going over?
Today we're going over how to market yourself, how much money we made in a day, and some of the struggles you go through, and just how you can turn your life around with junk removal money.
So don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button, and we love all you guys. So we're pulling up to the first job of the day. And JoJo, where'd they find us at?
Oh, these people found us on Google My Business.
So you got to have a Google My Business. And our goal in this truck right here is $2,000 a day. Some days we hit 1,000, some days we hit 3,000, some days we get it, some days we don't. So if you watch the video to the very end, you'll find out if we hit that goal or not. So let's get it, JoJo. You ready?
Yeah.
Let's do it. So here's the first job of the day. And it is all this stuff right here, JoJo. And we got a full load and some stuff back over there, like that piece and that fencing right there. You ready or what?
Yeah.
So job is complete. It took about 20 minutes, and my prediction of the dump fee is gonna be $163. You?
80.
80?
$80.
She said $80. Let's see what happens. And we're here at the landfill right now, and there's a little bit of a line, if you guys can see. Check that out. So sometimes when you do junk removal, you gotta sit in line for 45 minutes to an hour, and sometimes you're in line and you're in and out in 5 minutes. It's always different. So was 1,800 pounds at $119? The JoJo Lena won. Damn you, girl. Now let's talk some trash about the software we use for scheduling jobs, and it is WorkEase. And JoJo, how much easier is life now using that software?
Yeah, no, WorkEase is working out really, really good. I know we were hesitant at first because you get in your comfort zone and you get used to doing something, and it's really hard to try something new, but so far so good.
We've been using it for 3 weeks now. It's easy to schedule people in. Hit that button, let them know you're heading that way. When the job's complete, you can send them a link for a review, and I'm just loving it right now. Life is way easier.
It is easier, and when you want your business to grow and you're wanting to maybe, get more people working for you and someday even get off the trucks, you got to find a really good system that's going to work for you. So
big shout out to WorkEase. We love the software. I give it 2 thumbs up. Now, something you always want to have on hand are business cards. We get them from Vistaprint. They're super cheap. And I was just pumping gas right now, and the lady asked, "Do you have business cards?" I said, "Yes, I do, ma'am." It's all about networking, people. You done or what?
Yeah.
She had to go to the bathroom, so we're heading to the next job. And where did this customer find us from?
This customer found us from word of mouth, which is one of the best ways to be found. It means that you did a good job for someone, and that someone told someone else.
So let's go get this money, guys. So one more thing to keep in mind: pass out flyers, pass out business cards, put up signs. Any way you can get business, do it. Don't think you don't need to do stuff. Do whatever you gotta do to get business. If money's coming in one way, I'm gonna use it. If it's Yelp, free Yelp, if it's a Craigslist ad, whatever way I'm getting business from different directions, I'm definitely gonna use it. What about you?
Yeah, use it. Why not? Why not? Somebody's gonna call you and you're gonna make money.
So advertise as much as possible and you guys will be good. That's how we stay haulin' and ballin', baby.
So here's our next job of the day, and it's this pile, which I love because you can just back the truck right up to it. So it's this pile, and then there is another pile over there.
people always ask, where do you get your business from? Well, we got a group of realtors over here that will call us up whenever they need a house cleaned up or anything. Then we got a bunch of repeat customers over here that call us yearly, 6 months. Whenever they need us, they'll call us. And also word of mouth is a major thing. And then we got new leads coming in all the time. And JoJo, where do we get these leads from?
Well, we get our leads often because we have a really strong online presence. So we get it from Yelp, Nextdoor, Google My Business, our website.
Any way you can get business, passing out flyers, putting up signs, do it. Some people say you don't need to do it, but it's like not wiping your ass in the morning. I mean, you can take a shit in the morning and not wipe it. You can take a shower later on, but you know what? I'm gonna wipe my ass.
Yeah, there's a lot of things in life that you don't need to do. That doesn't mean you don't do them. I mean, I don't need to wear underwear, and I do that.
I mean, you can walk outside with your shoes unlaced, but you know what? We lace our shoes, so we like to get business in any direction, so you guys should too. So we're heading to the dumps right now, and JoJo, what's your prediction of the dump fee?
I'm gonna say $58.
I'm gonna say $79, so stay tuned for the prediction of the dump fee. So look who won. It was 1,080 pounds at $71. Holla at your boy. I won, baby. Now let's talk about the find of the day. And the cool thing about a day in the life of a junk hauler is you come across cool stuff all the time. And check out that find of the day.
Yeah, you never know what you're gonna find. It's a 1989 official complete set of Topps baseball cards.
That's a nice find of the day. Now let's go back and knock the rest of this job out, baby. Let's do it, JoJo. You ready or what?
Ready!
Let's get it. So we are back for round two. It's this stuff right here, all this metal, and then also we got this pile way over here that needs to go right here. And also that one over there at a later date. So we're about to get it. So job is complete, and JoJo, what's your prediction of the dump fee?
I'm gonna say 92.
I'm gonna say 103. Let's see what happens. And ain't no one in the dump line. Oh yeah. Now look who won. It was 1,280 pounds, $94. I won. Now let's talk about the struggles. The struggles when starting a business like this, especially a trash business, is getting that phone to ring consistent every single day so you have jobs lined up for the whole week. When you first start out, it's not going to be like that. You're going to have a couple days with no phone calls. You're going to look at the schedule. You ain't got no one on the calendar. You're going to be freaking out, especially if you quit your 9-to-5 job. You're really going to be freaking out.
You will be freaking out. Another thing that is a struggle is learning where to take things for free and for cheaper and just saving money in the dump fees.
Oh yeah, you got to do your homework, you got to do your research. At first you might have a couple mattresses back there, some appliances, and you don't know where to take stuff, so maybe you're dumping it over here for more expensive price. So you got to do your homework, do your research, and figure out where you can drop stuff off for free. So Google it. Where can I drop off appliances for free in my area? And you'll be surprised, a lot of places take stuff.
Yep. Last job of the day, and this person found us on a Google search, so it is so important to have good SEO words in your website. And this is actually a bid, so let's see if Matthew can put his salesmanship to work.
So that last job, we didn't get it. I don't think. It was a pile from hell. I hit it with that high price, and we'll see what happens. But on the good side is that we were $53 away from our goal of hitting $2,000, and that's a great thing. And check this out, guys. We're pulling up to our house right now, and look what the junk removal business has done for us. Let me turn this camera around real quick. Now, when you're really hauling and balling, and you buy a house, and you want to get it painted and get the floors done, and get a roof thrown on there, that's how we do it. Check that out. We got a new roof going on there. Now, just like that, we're done. And if you guys like these videos, hit that like and subscribe button, and we'll catch you guys on the next one. We love all you guys.